Walmart has been caught stealing from everyday hardworking Americans, and yes, they do owe you some money.
Listen up, because you may be eligible for part of a $45 million settlement. Now, this applies to customers who bought certain weighted groceries or bagged fruit. A class action lawsuit claimed that Walmart overcharged customers for those products. According to the suit, the retailer inflated the product's weight and price for nearly 6 years, dating back to 2018.
Walmart has been caught and sued for $45 million in a class action lawsuit because they were overcharging everyday hardworking Americans that were purchasing any types of weighted items inside of their store. And you or anyone may have not known that you were being overcharged, but of course they got caught. So if you purchase any type of weighted items, it could be from the produce section, the actual meat section, seafood section, anything that was a weighted product from October 19th of 2018 all the way up to January 19th of 2024, you are eligible to receive some type of actual payment out of this settlement. And the highest you can get paid is $500. I don't understand why nobody's talking about this. This is a big deal because millions of Americans shop at Walmart every day, and there's a $500 top payout for this. That's free money just for submitting some information. Now, there are gonna be people that come into the comments and say, oh yeah, I'm gonna get my 15 cents. Bro, don't bring that negativity over here. We're trying to help you get more money, and especially if you're a shopper of Walmart, you need to pay attention to this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I do shop at Walmart, and I never paid attention to the prices, never paid attention to that. They were literally price gouging me and charging me more than what I was supposed to be paying. You wanna make sure that you watch this to the very end, because this is going to be a very simple 3-step process. Step 1, find out if you were affected. Step 2, how to file your claim for the maximum payout. And step 3, what is the deadline to file your claim? Now, in step 1, find out if you were affected. It doesn't matter what type of Walmart you shopped at. It could be a regular Walmart or a Walmart Supercenter or one of those Walmart neighborhood stores. If you purchase any type of weighted goods, now that is produce, that is meat, chicken, any type of seafood that was actually packaged by them, and then they actually put the little weight on it and it said this is the price per pound, all of that is included in this. So be sure that if you did shop at Walmart or any type of Walmart from October 19th, 2018 all the way up to January 19th of 2024, then you are within your rights to file a claim. Walmart was caught red-handed programming their software to actually overcharge you at the register. So every time you went to purchase some type of weighted good, they programmed the software to actually screw over every single American in the United States. Even at the height of COVID, when people were struggling, and people are struggling still to this day, Walmart decided they wanted to double down and dip into your pockets and charge you more, because who's gonna notice, right? So I'm gonna give you the complete listing that they gave us so we can have a clear understanding. So weighted goods that are sold by weight are going to be meat, poultry, pork, and seafood products. Bagged citrus are going to be organic oranges, grapefruit, tangerines, and navel oranges sold in bulk in mesh or in plastic bags. Now, I want to give you a huge tip here. You do not have to join the class action settlement. You can opt out if you want to sue them in court on your own. You can take them to like small claims court and try to get more money if you really want to, because the proof is here that it actually happened. But if you want to opt out, you must submit a request called an opt-out request. In order for you to be opted out, you must submit the opt-out request no later than May 22 of 2024. So it must be postmarked no later than May 22nd of 2024. Now, also be aware, no documentation is required to be eligible to receive a payment. You may submit a claim even if you no longer have any receipts. That's the kicker here. But of course, if you have more receipts, then guess what? You're gonna get paid a lot more. That one time when my wife said, why do you save your receipts? You never know when you're gonna need them. Now, some people may have received some type of notification in email. Yes, that is a legit email. It's going to say Walmart weighted grocery settlement. They're gonna give you a specific notice ID and confirmation code. So now let's go over to the submit a claim page. Now here on step 2, I'm gonna walk you through how to submit your claim. If you got a notification by email, make sure you search your email that is connected to your Walmart account and see if they sent you any type of notification with a notice ID or confirmation code. Then you can enter it right there. But if you you don't have one, no worries. You can still file a claim by using the second tab on the right-hand side. We're gonna click there and get started. Now be aware, they are only going to allow one claim per household. So if you're trying to get a bunch of people in your house to file a claim, they're gonna catch it, they're gonna see the address, so just be aware of that. Now it says right there, you may receive 2% of this amount capped at $500. So they're telling you the maximum you're gonna get is $500. Now supporting documentation, we're gonna scroll down there to there. Accepted files are PDF, TIF, JPG, GIF, or PNG. All other types will be rejected. So I have a little converter. I'm gonna take a picture of my actual receipt right here, and then I'm gonna download it onto my computer, and then I'm gonna upload it in there. And then it's gonna add the file. Then we're gonna scroll down to the very bottom. We're gonna choose what we want our payment to be. You could choose a prepaid MasterCard, use Venmo, or direct deposit, or Zelle. And then once you get to the very bottom, you're going to put in your full name and verification and attestation under penalty of perjury. So then you're gonna submit it, and then you should be done. Now on step 3, what is the deadline to file your claim? You will have until June 5th of 2024. So make sure you file your claim as soon as possible. So now remember, you're going to have till June 5th of 2024 to submit your claim. Now, once the claim period ends on June 5th of 2024, you will have about 60 to 90 days when they will start to send out payments for everyone that qualified and is going to get paid. People always expect this to end so very quickly. You submit some information and then you get a check, or you get some type of gift card or payment in the mail or through direct deposit in within a week or two. But no, it doesn't work like that. Remember, everything has to be processed, and then be patient because this is a marathon. It is not a sprint. You will eventually get paid in a timely manner, just like everyone else. Pay attention to your email inbox. They may ask for more information. They may tell you when you're gonna get paid, because people always send me messages saying, hey Mike, what's going on with the payment? Bro, I don't work there. I don't know. I'm waiting on payment just like you. So be patient and you're gonna get there eventually. I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big settlement that a lot of people are not talking about. Make sure that you watch the next video, because it is about another Verizon wireless settlement that a lot of people don't know about. If you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.